So last time पूर्वस्मिन् सप्ताहे अस्माभिः पठितं किमत्र विदूषकः भो न गमिष्यामि अन्यः कोऽपि प्रयुज्यताम् अस्तु सर्वं समाप्तं मम पुनर्ब्रह्मणस्य सर्वमेव विपरीतं परिणमति आदर्शगता इव छाया वामतः दक्षिणतः वामा अन्यच्चैतस्यां प्रदोषवेलायाम् इह राजमार्गे गणिका विटाः चेटाः राजवल्लभाः च पुरुषाः सञ्चरन्ति तस्मान् मण्डूकलुब्धस्य कालसर्पस्य मूषकः इव अभिमुखा पतितो वध्यः इदानीं भविष्यामि त्वाम् इह उपविष्टः किं करिष्यसि त्वमेव गच्छतु इति चारुदत्तः वदति भवतु तिष्ठ तावत् अहं समाधिं निर्वर्तयामि भवतु अस्तु तिष्ठ तावत् अहमेव गच्छामि परन्तु कदा गच्छामि अहं समाधिं निर्वर्तयामि आदौ इदानीं सायङ्कालः समाधिम् इत्युक्ते पुनः सायङ्काले कार्यं कर्म तत् निर्वर्तयामि सायङ्कालिक नित्यकर्मो भवति यथा सन्ध्यावन्दनादि इत्यादि पूजा समाधिं निर्वर्तयामि देवपूजादिकं कृत्वा सायङ्कालीनं कर्माणि कृत्वा गच्छामि नेपथ्ये पुनः बैक्ग्रौण्ड् तिष्ठ वसन्तसेने तिष्ठ somebody नेपथ्ये somebody is नेपथ्ये वसन्तसेने तिष्ठ so वसन्तसेनायाः प्रवेशः इदानीं so now Vasantasena is going to enter and the scenery is going to change so now right now it's all happening in the background तिष्ठ वसन्तसेने तिष्ठ mostly this Charudatta and this what is Dushaka Maitreya so I think they exit right now from the main stage so तिष्ठ वसन्तसेने तिष्ठ ततः प्रविशति विटशकारचेटैः अनुगम्यमाना वसन्तसेना तदनन्तरं प्रविशति इदानीं प्रवेशः भवति केषां विटः शकारः चेटः एतैः अनुगम्यमाना वसन्तसेना सो पूर्वमासीत् मैत्रेयेण उक्तं किमिदानीं सायङ्कालः बहिः विटाः चेटाः गणिकाः भवन्ति विटाश्चेष्ट राजवल्लभाः च पुरुषाः सञ्चरन्ति अतः न गच्छामि इति इदानीं तेषां प्रवेशः भवति सर्वेषां गणिका अपि अस्ति सर्वे गणिका वसन्तसेना विटः अनन्तरं चेटः अपि अस्ति शकारः अपि अस्ति शकारः राजवल्लभः राजपुरुषः इति राजश्यालः सः शकारः सो वाट् इस् विटः कः सो हू इस् विटः
सेवकः
चेटः इति सेवकः विटः
दासः
so vita is like a mediator type
मध्यस्थ
so mediator like usually vitas are like they mediate between the ganikas and other people so shakara is rajavallabha rajapurusha rajashalah what is shalah or shala means who is a shala
शालः पत्न्याः भ्राता।
पत्न्याः
भ्राता।
भ्राता। अन्य महाभारते किम् उदाहरणम् अस्ति शालस्य?
प्रथमे अध्याये अपि अस्ति एकः श्लोकः अपि अस्ति मम शालाः श्वशुराः सर्वे तत्र सन्ति
सम्बन्धिनस्ततः भगवद्गीतायां। तत् उदाहरणं किम् अस्ति तत्र? शालः कस्य कः शालः?
दृष्टद्युम्न शिखण्डी अर्जुनस्य शालौ।
कः? दृष्टद्युम्नः।
दृष्टद्युम्नः द्रौपद्याः भ्राता।
सः शिखण्डी।
शिखण्डी।
अनन्तरं
कृष्णः अर्जुनस्य शालः।
कृष्णः अर्जुनस्य
सुभद्रायाः भ्राता खलु?
भ्राता।
अनन्तरं
शकुनिः कस्य?
शकुनि
गान्धारी।
धृतराष्ट्रस्य शालः।
भीमस्य शालः कः?
उत्तरकुमार अभिमन्योः शालः। उत्तरायाः भ्राता।
Also Hidimba, right? Hidimbi's brother.
भीमस्य शालः। दृष्टद्युम्नः अपि भीमस्य शालः।
आमाम्। पाण्डवानां शालः। पाण्डवानां शालः दृष्टद्युम्नः।
ततः प्रविशति विटः शकारश्चेते अनुगम्यमाना वसन्तसेन। अनुगम्यमाना इत्युक्ते
तस्य पृष्ठे गच्छति इति।
कः कस्य पृष्ठे गच्छति?
तेषां पृष्ठे वीटशकारचेटानां पृष्ठे गच्छति।
वसन्तसेना? Why would she go behind them?
No, अनुगम्यमाना वसन्त। ते सर्वे वसन्तसेनायाः पृष्ठे गच्छन्ति।
इदानीम् अनुगम्यमाना इति कीदृशप्रयोगः?
शानच् प्रत्ययः खलु?
शानच् कर्तरि कर्मणि कर्मणि इति कारणात् एव वसन्तसेनायाः पृष्ठतः एते सर्वे अनुगच्छन्ति। विटशकारः चेटः अपि वसन्तसेनाम् अनुगच्छन्ति। वसन्तसेनायाः पृष्ठतः गच्छन्ति। So that means Vasantasena Anugamyamana means is being followed by Vita, Shakara and Cheta. Chetaihi iti tritiya. Vitah vadati kim Vasantasene tishtha. So Vasantasena is moving, is in the lead, and these are following her. Vitah Vasantasene tishtha. किं तं भयेन विटः अपि गायति। किं तं भयेन परिवर्तितसौकुमार्या नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ विचरणौ क्षपन्ति उद्विग्नचञ्चलकटाक्षविसृष्टदृष्टिव्याधानुसारचकिता हरिणीव यासि. If anybody want to explain or ready to try, just stop me and say so, okay? Otherwise I'll assume. I'll just go ahead.
I will try. किं त्वं भयेन परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या किं त्वं भयेन परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ चरणौ क्षिपन्ति उद्विग्नचञ्चलकटाक्षविसृष्टदृष्टि व्याधानुसारचकिता हरिणी ययासि किं त्वं भयेन परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या सो परिवर्तितः सौकुमार्या सुकुमारी सौकुमार्या
परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या इति एकः शब्दः
पदमस्ति
एकं पदम्
ओके किं त्वं भयेन परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या
इदानीम् एकं तु पदच्छेदनम् अनन्तरं कुत्र क्रियापदमस्ति इति द्रष्टव्यम् अनन्तरम् अन्वयस्य यत्नः करणीयः
सो क्षिपन्ति इति क्रियापदमस्ति
क्षिपन्ति क्रियापदं नास्ति क्षिपन्ति
गच्छन्ति आमां क्षिपन्ति सो किं त्वं भयेन परिवर्तितसौकुमार्या नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ चरणौ क्षिपन्ति नृत्यविशदौ चरणौ क्षिपन्ति
अग्रे किमस्ति उद्विग्न
चञ्चल कटाक्ष दृष्टिः व्याधानुसारचकिता हरिणी अस्ति वा व अस्ति
हरिणी इव
हरिणी इव यासि सो गच्छति सो मध्यमपुरुष गच्छसि व्याधानुसारचकिता हरिणी इव सो किं त्वं गच्छसि भयेन परिवर्तित सौकुमार्या सो परिवर्तन यस्य भवति
अनन्तरं पश्यामः आदौ क्रियापदं किमस्ति
क्रियापदे गच्छसि
यासि प्रयोगः किमस्ति तत्र कर्तरि कर्मणि कर्तरि प्रयोगः तर्हि कुत्रचित् प्रथमाविभक्तौ कर्तृपदं भवेत् कुत्र अस्ति प्रथमाविभक्तिपदं किम् अस्ति
त्वम् अस्ति
त्वम् अस्ति त्वं यासि इति अस्ति त्वं यासि पुनः त्वं यासि ओके
त्वं यासि
इति मूलवाक्यमस्ति अनन्तरम् अन्यत्र कुत्र प्रथमाविभक्तिप्रयोगः अस्ति हरिणी इव तत्र उपमा अस्ति
परन्तु प्रथमविभक्ति खलु
अस्ति अस्तु अनन्तरं सो मुख्यतः त्वं यासि इति अस्ति इति किं त्वं यासि इति प्रश्नः
किमपि प्रथमविभक्ति
किम् इति प्रश्न प्रथमविभक्ति प्रायः नास्ति किम् इति प्रश्नवाचकशब्दः इति यथा किमिदं
किं करोति
तथा किं करोति किमिदं जगत् तथा प्रश्नवाचकशब्दः किम् अहं गच्छामि इति किं त्वं यासि किमर्थम् इति अर्थः किमर्थं त्वं यासि
उद्विग्न चञ्चल कटाक्ष विसृष्ट दृष्टिः अपि प्रथमाविभक्ति
समीचीनं तर्हि उद्विग्न चञ्चल कटाक्ष विसृष्ट दृष्टिः प्रथमा
So udvigna is udvigna, udvega. So bhaya athva chinta athva chanchala kataksha vishrusta drusti. So बहवः भावाः तस्य मनसि सन्ति हरिणी हरिणी व्याधम् अनुसरति
हरिणी न अनुसरति
व्याधः हरिणीम् अनुसरति व्याधं हरिणीम् अनुसरति अनुसारचकिता इत्युक्ते अहं सम्यक् न
अनुसरति इति अनुसार व्याधम् अनुसरति सा हरिणी
चकिता
चकिता what is चकिता
चकिता
सम्यक् what is चकिता
आश्चर्यचकिता.
Yes, but yeah, chakita means, but only chakita means what?
Saha. Ascharya chakita, kalu?
Not saha.
Sure.
Chakitaha is usually used as a bhitah iti.
Bhitaha.
So, but yeah, they have this little differences, like nuances. It is not exactly bhaya, but it's like a
Mishrita.
Taken aback, like surprisingly, suddenly. Shocked. Yeah.
Okay.
Vyadhanusara chakita means vyadha kada anusarati tada yatha harini chakita bhita bhavati tatha kim tum bhayena yasi iti abhavat udvigna chanchala harini katha gacchati harini yada vyadhanusara bhavati vyadhena anusruta bhavati bhita bhavati tada अत्र अस्ति किमस्ति पूर्वम् उद्विग्नचञ्चल कटाक्षविशिष्टदृष्टिः भवति तस्याः कस्याः हरिणी तस्याः what is harini is deer so deer when mruga when it is followed by a hunter then the udvigna chanchala kataksha visrishta drishti udvigna you explained chanchala ityukte
तीव्र वेगेन अत्र तत्र
चञ्चल इत्युक्ते अस्थिरः
ओके
अनन्तरं कटाक्ष कटाक्ष
expecting some rakshama.
What is aksha or akshi?
Aksha netram.
Kataksha is that corner
of the eye, looking at the corner of the eye. Little.
What did you say? Little.
Kataksha.
Corner of the eye. Kataksha. Visrishta drishti. What is visrishta? Visrishta means
rejected or not ankikritam or
what is visarjana?
It is disappearing.
Visrishta means nasha or like what is visarjana, like Ganesha visarjana bhavati tatha or or sabha visarjana bhavati.
Get up or leave it to go.
Leaving. So visrishta drishti. Drishtihi visrishta abhavat. Drishtihi, the look. Look. Visrishta means here leaving means it is giving out. Okay? It is giving a look. Giving a look. What kind of look? Udvigna asti drishti, anantram chanchala drishti, kataksha means from the corner of the eye it is giving a look, which is udvigna. Bharita, what is udvigna?
Terrified. Terrified.
Huh?
No, terrified, frightened, terrified. Beaty look.
And chanchala api. Chanchala means it's not constant, moving. When it is bhita bhavati, when somebody is frightened, especially mruga, harini, so they are like looking here and there with the frightened look with the corner of the eye, like that. Vyadhanusara chakita, then followed by the hunter, harini, tatha kim tvam bhayena yasi. Why are you why are you moving like that? Going like that. Now, there are other things here like parivartita saukumarya nitya prayoga vishadau charanau kshipanti. So parivartita we'll see later. Now first one, charanau kshipanti. So that is simple. What is charanau kshipanti?
Charanau, so padau.
Padau.
Kshipanti. So vegena chalati iti.
Vegena chalati. Vegena padakramanam kurvati gachanti sa. So she is pacing fast with her feet, going fast. Now how? But what kind of charanam? Nritya prayoga vishadau. वसन्तसेनायाः चरणौ कथं स्तः नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ भवतः नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ. वाट् इस् नृत्यप्रयोगविशदौ? वाट् इस् विशदौ? विशदः विशदः
विशदः इति ज्ञानी ज्ञानी
निपुणः ज्ञानी इति एक्स्पर्ट्. विशदौ, these two charanau padau vishadau stah, they are experts in what? Nritya prayoge. So they are expert in nritya prayoga. So she, as a nritya prayoga, she is supposed to walk in that bhangi. Bhangi means in that style, okay? Slowly, stylish. But she is not doing that. She is like charano kshapanti. She is like going fast. Asking why. Kim tvam bhayena parivartita saukumarya. So, saukumari iti tasya tritiya saukumarya parivartita saukumarya. So parivartita means changed. Viparita parivartitam. Viparita sthitau parivartitam asti. Kim saukumar. What is sukumara? Means what is sukumara?
Sukumara
what is kumara? Just kumara. Kumari. Kumari.
So
Kumari.
Kumari.
Putri.
So Kumari.
Just Sukumari. Sukumari. What is Sukumari?
So
Sukumari.
Is it unmarried girl?
With respect.
A girl who's not married?
Not strong.
or Komala. Soft. Sukumara is Komal. Sukumari, Komalangi, Sukumari. So what is trying to say? Parivartit. So Sukumari, Vasantasena, Sukumari means she is soft-natured, and so because of that, she Nritya Prayoga Vishadau Charanam. So Sukumarasya Bhavaha Saukumaryam. Okay. But Parivartita Saukumarya means now that Saukumarya Bhavaha Saukumaryam. So but now Parivartita means it is not changed. It is supposed to be soft. Komalatvam idanim nashtam. So because she is Sukumari, she and Nritya Prayoga Vishadau Charana Staha, so she was supposed to walk in that stylishly, slowly. But now Parivartita means it's in the opposite as to Saukumari Tatha Nasti Idanim. She is Uddigna, she is frightened and walking fast.
Wow. बहु सम्यक् तया भवान् पाठयति.
So इदानीं किं त्वं भयेन यासि? So he is asking, किं त्वं? So are you because of bhaya, you are because of fear, are you walking fast? That is the question here.
यदि भवान् न पाठयति तर्हि किमपि ज्ञातुं न शक्नोमि.
चर्चा भवति चेत् उत्तमम्. So इदानीं शकारः तिष्ठ वसन्तसेनिके. So most of you, I assume you have watched this movie Utsav, right? That Shakara, very well acted by
Vasantasena movie.
Utsav, that Shashi Kapoor. Utsav.
Utsava.
Yeah. So in that Shakara, the character is like with a big mustache and all that. Shakaraha tishtha vasantasenike tishtha. So here the Shakara is Rajavallabha, Rajashalaha. So the Shakara's character in this asya natake api, tasmin natake api बहु विचित्र पात्रमस्ति Shakaraha. So it is strong and also weird. He is interested. He wants to get Vasantasena, but Vasantasena is not interested. He is running away. He is following Shakaraha. Now, the important thing to note is dialogues. Very very different things here. Like Shakaraha, Tishtha Vasantasenike. He is not saying Vasantasene. Whereas in the previous it was Vasantasene, right? Yeah. No, yeah, Vasantasene. Vitaha Vasantasene, Tishtha. Now here he is saying Vasantasenike, Tishtha. So what is the difference? Vasantasene, Vasantasenike. Yatha. So this ka pratyaya Vasantasenika bhavati atra.
Vasantasenika.
वसन्तसेनिका इति पदं भवति. तस्य सम्बोधनं वसन्तसेनिके. यथा बालबालक बालाबालिका क प्रत्ययः अपि अस्ति तत्र. अनन्तरं कुत्र वज्रक इति बहुत्र आगच्छति. क प्रत्ययस्य प्रयोगः बहुत्र दृश्यते. And it's meaning, it's used in a different context or meanings, but many times you find this ka pratyena kutsitarthe. Kutsitarthe means nicharthe, to show somebody some disrespect, or at a like some kind of soft abuse. Tishtha, Vasanta Senike, Tishtha. The Shakara is addressing her as Vasanta Senik with a ka pratyaya, Vasanta Senike, not with respect. Vasanta Senike, Tishtha. Okay. Now, so Sahapi Gayati, okay, is also singing. Atra किमस्ति उपरि प्राकृतभाषायां. So Shakara, though he is a Raja Vallabha, his dialogue is given in a Prakrita Bhasha, which is Nataka in dramas in those days. Generally, Uttama, Rajapatra, etc., Brahmana Raja, etc., they speak Sanskrita language and the others speak Prakrita Bhasha. Now Shakara being a Raja, Vallabha Raja Shala, and he is also speaking here Prakrita. That indicates his level. Okay? And he is not that sophisticated. Okay? The Shakara, Sanskrita Nasti, Sanskrita means sophisticated, right? Tishtha, Vasanta Senike Tishtha, Kimyashi, Dhavashi, Palayashi, I'm reading the Prakrita. Palayashi, Pakhalanti, Vashu, Padipashidana, Malihishi, Chishta, Dhava, Kamena, Dajjadi Hume, Hadake, Tavashi, Angalala, Shipidide, Via, Maushakhande. So, yeah, but if you take this into Sanskritam, Astyatra, Kinyasi, Dhavasi, Palayase, Praskhalanti, Vasu, Prasida, Namarishasi, Tishtatavat, Kamena Dashyate Kalume Hridayam Tapasvi Angara Rashi Patitameva Masakhandam. But the Prakrita is more relevant here because there what do you see there in the Prakrita? It is sha. Like Kinyasi Dhavashi Palayashi Pakhalanti Vashu Pashida Manihishi Chishta. Later in the dialogues also in this Mritchakatikam, this Nataka, you will see Shakara many times he is, even while talking also normal, he is actually substituting sa with the sha. Sha, because he has some problem in Ucharanam. Okay? So many people we see, right? They pronounce sh in place of sa, they pronounce ta in place of ta, like that, right? So you see that. So probably he has that kind of either style of talking or some pronunciation issue, which anyway, so Shakar, and his name also Shakara Hasti, Shakara. So we know what is Shakara, what is Akara, Ukara, Makara, Kakara.
So Antakshara asti tasya.
Antakshara na, like Akara means what? What is Akara? Kakara.
Rama, so Akara. So, Kakara is Kaha Kim Katham iti Kakara Khalu.
Achvarna Vina Halvarna.
Achvarna, Halvarna.
रामपदस्य अन्तिम अक्षर अस्ति खलु, तर्हि अकार. ककार मीन्स् कथं किम् इति ककार खलु, कथं किम् इति.
Any other simple explanation? Anybody remember from our old Shiksha Shastra?
Vyanjanameva akara nasti.
So akara pe akara ukara. Kara is generally, kara is used as it means a sound. To represent a sound, we say akara. To represent ka Vyanjana sound, it is kakara. Vyanjana just Vyanjana cannot be pronounced independently without adding a swara. Swaram vina kevalam Vyanjanasya uchcharanam asadhyam iti karanat kakara ityukte ka Vyanjanasya uchcharanam अथवा शब्दः ध्वनिः तथैव स्वराणामपि कारः भवति कार इत्युक्ते ध्वनिः अस्त्येव अकारस्य अपि ध्वनिः अस्ति केवलं तस्य स्वयं राजते इति स्वरः स्वयम् उच्चारणं शक्यते केवलम् इति अकारस्य ध्वनिः अ एव अथवा आकारस्य ध्वनिः आ एव इति उकारस्य उ एव इत्यादि भवति परन्तु कार इत्युक्ते ध्वनिः तस्य पूर्वं भवति तस्य ध्वनिः कार इति सफिक्स् कार. The sound of a is called akara, sound of ka is called kakara, sound of ga is called gakara, etc. So similarly, sound of sh is called shakara in Shiksha Shastra, etc. Generally. So his name itself is Shakara here. Shakara means sound of sh. So he is famous for that. Also, we do like a nickname, right? People. Nickname, like how with the characters sometimes we name our friends with some, call our friends with some nicknames. No? Like that is Shakara. His name is Shakara, means Shakara, come here. Shakara came here. Shakara is coming. Sh sound is coming. तिष्ठ वसन्तसेनके तिष्ठ अनन्तरं किं यासि धावसि पलायसे प्रस्खलन्ति वासु प्रसीद न मरिष्यसि तिष्ठ तावत् कामेन दह्यते खलु मे हृदयं तपस्वी अङ्गारराशिपतितमेव मासखण्डम् तस्य गानं. पुनः अत्र पदच्छेदनं सुलभमस्ति. पदच्छेदनं किं यासि धावसि पलायसे प्रस्खलन्ति वासु इति सम्बोधनं प्रसीद न मरिष्यसि तिष्ठ तावत् कामेन दह्यते खलु मे हृदयं तपस्वी अङ्गारराशिपतितम् इव मासखण्डम्. सुलभम्. क्रियापदं कुत्र?
यासि धावसि.
यासि धावसि.
पलायसे अपि. पलायसे. किं यासि धावसि पलायसे. So किम् इति किमर्थं? Why are you running? किमर्थं यासि गच्छसि धावसि पलायसे इति आत्मनि पलायते इति अस्ति खलु. पलायते पलायसे प्रस्खलन्ति प्रस्खलन्ति धावसि यासि प्रस्खलन्ति इति
प्रत्यय
तत्र
प्रस्खलन खलन
शत्रु
शानच् अस्ति चेत् मान भवति आनमान.
शत्रु स्त्रीलिङ्गे
गच्छन्ति यथा अस्ति तत्
प्रस्खलन् भवति पुल्लिङ्गे.
स्खलन्ति. What is स्खलन्ति?
स्खलन्ति स्खलनं भवति मीन्स् पतति.
Like sliding or not moving properly. Praskalanti. Kim gachasi. So why are you running, going, palayate or running away? Praskalanti. That also means because she is afraid, she is scared, she is not able to even run properly. She is just, maybe she is wearing high heels or something, I don't know. praskalanti, then vasu prasida na marishyasi tishtha tavat. Vasu iti sambodhanam. What is vasu? Vasu dirgha ukara, vasu iti shabdah. Somebody can look up what is vasu.
Taruni yuvati iti artha. Yuvati young lady. Yuvaki yuvaka yuvaka reeling yuvaka 16 years old, that age bala.
Yuvan is pulling, yuvati is saying. Vasu iti sambodhanam. Yatha vasu ityukte tatha dirgha vadhu shabda. Vasu, he vasu, he balike iti artha, he bale, he taruni. Prasida, what is prasida? Prasanna bhava, be pleased. Na marishyasi, tishtha tavat. Tishtha tavat. Tishtha. Wait. Stop. Na marishyasi. He's saying, na marishyasi. What is na marishyasi?
You will not die.
You won't die. Wait a bit. You are not going to die if you wait. Okay, wait a bit. Why are you learning away? Kamena dashyate khalu me hridayam tapasvi. Tapasvi ityapi sambodhanam. A tapasvi. Tapasvi is again trying to. What is the language Mohdaya? What are you saying about tapasvi?
I'm not janami Mohdaya.
Tapasvi is trying
tapasvi, to ascetic, rishi or gunavan evam.
Now
यः तपस् करोति तः तपस्वी.
Tapasvi, but now he is addressing Vasantasena.
Vasantasena. गुणवती इदर्थ भावार्थः धन्यवादः.
Tapasvi kamena dashyate me hridayam khalu. So my heart, mama hridayam kamena dashyate. Yadi punah karmani. Ityukte kamah mama hridayam dahati. So this kama, desire to get you, is killing me or burning my heart. My heart burns. Then angara rashi patitameva masakhandam. How? He is giving the upama. No, Shakara is also becoming a poet. Upama that. But his upama is like comparing Masakhanda. Angara rashi patitameva Masakhandam. Masasya khandah sakalam. Yatha angare angara rashi. Angara rasho patati. Tada, what is angara?
Angara
अंगार इत्युक्ते coal, burning coal, अंगार राशि.
Burning coal, kanda. Angara rashi, burning coal. In that mausa khandah, the piece of mausa meat, when it falls, how it burns.
मांसकण्ठं पतितमिव अङ्गारराशौ पतितमिव मांसकण्ठं पतितम् इव.
What happens at BBQ? Barbecue bhavati.
Barbecue.
Tatha mama hridayam, my heart is also burning like that. Just like that Masakanda.
तर्हि तपस्वी
विरगतापेन इति पदं संस्कृतपदमा महोदय. विरगतापं विरगतापम् इति संस्कृतपदं पदं वा अन्यपदं वा? विरगतापम्. In Tamil Bhasha we used to say Virgatabam like that. The Kamena itukte Kamagni is called Virgatapam. I don't know. Virga is Samskrita Patam va or Anya Patam va hum na jana.
I'm not getting the word. Mrugatapa.
Virga. I will find out. Mahodaya.
Mrugya.
So महोदय तपस्वी किमर्थम् अत्र भवति?
Tapasvi, yeah. So he is Kamena Khalu Me Hridayam Tapasvi. So he is addressing her Tapasvi iti. Or maybe, no, I think it is Tapasvi, yeah, Hridayam, no, he is not addressing, sorry. Kamena Dahyate Khalu Me Hridayam Tapasvi. So Tapasvi iti Hridayam Padasya Visheshanam asti. Because it is an Napunsakalingam, Tapasvi. हृदयं तस्य अस्य पदस्य नपुंसक विशेषणं तपस्वी हृदयं मम. Tapasvi means you can interpret it in many ways. So one way is like tapasvi hridayam mama hridayam tapasvi asti ityukte it is always thinking about you like tapasvi.
Okay.
Hridayam.
Okay.
Yeah, that is better. चेटः चेटः सः सेवकः. आर्यके तिष्ठ तिष्ठ. आर्या इति उत्तम स्त्री सम्बोधनम्. इदानीम् आर्यके इति किञ्चिदूना इति लिटल बिट लेस. आर्यके तिष्ठ तिष्ठ बट स्टिल रिस्पेक्टेबल. आर्यके स्टॉप. अत्र उत्त्रासिता गच्छस्यन्तिकान्नम सम्पूर्णपक्षेव ग्रीष्ममयूरी अववल्गति स्वामी भट्टारको मम वने गतः कुक्कुटशावक इव. सेवकस्य गानम्. उत्त्रासिता गच्छसि अन्तिकात् मम सम्पूर्णपक्षा इव ग्रीष्ममयूरी अववल्गति स्वामी भट्टारकः मम वने गतः कुक्कुटशावकः इव. स्वापि इदानीं कविः उपमा अस्ति अत्रापि. उत्त्रासिता गच्छसि इति गच्छसि इति क्रियापदं त्वं गच्छसि. आर्यके इति तिष्ठ तिष्ठ. उत्त्रासिता. वाट् इस् उत्त्रासिता? त्रासिता इत्युक्ते किं?
त्रासः अस्ति. त्रासः इति त्रासः इति त्रास इति
shaking, right?
भीति भयं.
annoying.
Annoying. Trasita means karmani again. Trasita gata iti. Uttrasita.
So
Uttrasita. Uttrasita is bhiti. Uttrasita means annoyed again, karmani, or
क्लेशं करोति क्लेश
troubled by him, she is troubled by somebody. Uttrasita, she is troubled, and then because they are following, gachasi antikat mama antikat mama sakashat समीपात् मम सकाशात् अन्तिका इत्युक्ते समीपे
किं महोदय
अन्तिकात् समीपम्
अन्तिकात् समीपम्
मम समीपात् इत्युक्ते अन्तिकात् अन्तिकं मीन्स् समीपे दिस् इस् अन्तिक समीप अन्तिकात् मम समीपात् मम सकाशात् सम्पूर्ण उत्तरास्थिता गच्छति यु आर् रनिङ्ग् अवे ट्रबल्ड् कथं सम्पूर्णपक्षा इव ग्रीष्ममयूरी who is ग्रीष्ममयूरी
वसन्तसेना
no but what is ग्रीष्ममयूरी what is mayuri
ग्रीष्मकाले
मयूर इति पक्षी we all know mayuri what is mayuri shikandi peacock ग्रीष्ममयूरी सम्पूर्ण ग्रीष्मकालीन मयूरी मयूरी is what सा मयूरस्य स्त्रीलिङ्गे the female peacock peahen not peacock peahen ग्रीष्ममयूरी ग्रीष्मकाले यथा पीहन् अस्ति तथा सम्पूर्णपक्षा इव what is सम्पूर्णपक्षा what is paksha
open up wing
or feather okay sampurna paksha
fully opened its wings on both sides
opened
feathers
the tail of the paksha
the wing of the
so like a pea like a in the grishma kala means generally the rain also comes and then these peacocks are happy they open their feathers completely right but now he is saying that grishma mayuri peahen like a peahen in the grishma kala which has sampurna paksha which is fully opened paksha so this is like a contrast here or actually it's a mistake dosha because peahens generally don't not generally they don't have the full feathers peacocks have not peahen mayuri tasyaha paksha the full paksha na bhavanti yeah little bit will be there but not like full like a mayura but now cheta sevaka is saying sampurna paksha iva grishma mayuri so he is comparing that like that grishma mayuri so it is a dosha that means one thing is that there are interpretations some vyakyanas saying that this indicates either the ajnana of the actual nataka karta shudraka whoever is there or is not well written nataka or he is purposely writing it because he is saying it what is the patra is cheta sevaka shakara by these kind of people he is purposely making them to say this okay which is not correct. Sampurnapaksha iva Grishmamayuri avavalgati Swami Bhattarakah mama Swami Bhattarakah mama. What is Swami Bhattaraka?
Rajasevaka.
So Bhatta is Sevaka api asti or Swami api asti. Prabhu. So Swami Bhattaraka ityukte, now Bhattaraka, only Bhatta is like Bhattaha athva Sevaka iti bhavati, but Bhattaraka is Pujaniya iti bhavati, Bhattaraka. So generally these Bhattaraka, these kinds of words are used in the Nataka or drama, Sanskrit dramas, plays only. Like Swami Bhattaraka ityukte mama Swami, Pujaniya Swami, Pujyaha, Avavalgati. What is Valgati? Anybody got this Valgati?
It khadati अथवा नृत्यं खादति अत्र वल्गति स्वामी सो नृत्य अपि अस्ति
नृत्य मीन्स् पादक्षेपणम् इति गोयिङ्ग् अववल्गति मीन्स् अवगच्छति सो अवगच्छति मीन्स् इस् फालोयिङ्ग् यू गोइङ्ग् टु फालो मम पूज्य स्वामी सः त्वाम् अनुगच्छति so he is going to follow you. You are like this, Sampurna Grishma Mayuri, means you are looking beautiful, Uttarasita, but you are Uttarasita, Gachasi Antikatmama, you are running away, troubled, but Mama Swami Tvam Anugachati, Katham Vanegataha Kukkuta Shavaka Iva. Kukkuta Shavakaha. Kukkuta, everybody knows Kukkuta? What is Kukkuta?
Kukkuta is
rooster.
Rooster. Shavaka. Shavaka. Shavaka is also a common word by now, right? I think it has come in chapter 4.
So balakah. So
balakah. Shavaka means like a
young Kukkuta.
Baby.
Young chicken.
Young one.
Young chicken.
A small offspring. Kukkuta Shavakaha, like a baby Kukkuta, baby rooster. Iva, Vanegataha Iva. Vanegataha Kukkuta Shavaka. So if Kukkuta, small rooster, if it runs into the Vana, Vanegata, not Vanamgata, Vanegata, if it runs into the forest, then people will run behind it to catch it, right? Because it is a domesticated one, which is supposed to be in the the house. But if it runs into the Vana nearby in a village, people are going to follow it and run. So like that. And Kukkuta Shavaka is also, it's a small one, Shavaka, and it is like a soft, Komalanga then, but it is also Bhita, Uttarasita Bhavati, and it runs away. But this, my Swami is going to follow like that. But here also there is some contrast, like Kukkuta Shavaka means rooster. Yeah, people run, but in this context, this Swami, Saha Shakarha, who is Swami, he is going to follow her to, not with just catching or just getting the Kukkuta Shavaka, like when the people follow, to go and catch it and get it back into their possession. Pen. But no, this Swami is going to go and not with a good intention, right? So, not with a good intention means generally Kukkuta roost, not the people will follow or run behind not the rooster, but actually female hen with the intention of killing it, catch and kill it. Tatha. So here also kukkuta shavaka is little bit not correct. It should be kukkuti iti bhavet. Kukkuti. So kukkuta shavaka. So then it becomes hen. Otherwise rooster. So there are some.
मम वने किम् अस्ति?
मम वने न. Mama is here. Mama Bhattaraka.
Oh, Mama Bhattaraka. Okay.
Mama Swami Bhattaraka. Ityukte Mama Swami. My owner is going to follow you. Yatha Kukkutashavakam anugachanti janaha. Yatha.
Okay.
Okay. We'll stop here.
Yeah.
Mahasharada, everything clear? Hope so.
Yes.
धन्यवादः. नमस्कारः.
नमस्कारः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः. Thank you.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. शुभरात्रि.
Yeah.